Welcome to Story Time with Speech and Smile. I'm Miss Stephanie, and I'll be reading your story today. Today's story is The Very Hungry Caterpillar. We'll be reading our story while using our Say and Play mini objects. You can go ahead and get yours out, and we'll get started.
The Very Hungry Caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami. One lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomachache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly.
Thank you so much for joining me as we were reading The Very Hungry Caterpillar. I loved going through this book and seeing all the different stages of the caterpillar in his life cycle. How he started out as a teeny tiny egg, and then after eating so much food as a little caterpillar, he grew and grew and grew. And at the very end, after he was a cocoon, he hatched and became that beautiful butterfly. It was so enjoyable to use our Say and Play mini objects to go along with our story today. You can go on to speechandsmile.com to find several other story kits that you can get and read along with, as well as many other kits to use and many objects that you can order as well. Thank you so much for joining me as we were reading our story today, and I hope that you make it a great day.